Blue Collar Travels, that's the name of the channel. Hey, and we're going on the Carnival Horizon. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Ike Stevens. You are watching Blue Collar Travel. Yeah. Blue Collar Cruising, but we're changing. We're doing the brand, right? We're going to still do cruising, but we're also going to do what we've been doing, but we haven't called it Blue Collar Travel, right? Where it's like if we just go and just cruise, you know, it's one thing, but I take you guys to Colorado, Talladega, and then, you know, come 2024, we're going to be traveling a lot more since our last cruise, and we're going to talk about it. Since our last cruise, we went to California and we went to the Florida Keys, and I didn't film a single thing. I just wanted to get away and got tired of the cameras and stuff like that. Just want to kind of do things and just relax and not have to go and talk about what you're seeing, you know. But kind of looking back on it, I kind of regret it now, but it is what it is. So, but you know, we have our last cruise of the year coming up, and then our next cruise after that is like October of next year. So we got some time, and with the kids moving on with their lives, they just, you know, they're doing their thing, and it's allowing me and Mama to do our thing finally in life, right? That's where we're at in life. So I'm doing the old Jace from EECC Travels. You ever watch these guys? I love their videos, but sometimes I would go and watch their videos when they're talking about, they're like filming in their house, like this is what we're going to be doing. This is our cruise that we're about to go on. And you see Jason over there going, rubbing, you know, that's like me. Let's talk about the Carnival Horizon coming up on December 9th. 2024, a month from today as I record this. And hey, we're 4 weeks away from us traveling down there. Okay, but we're going to drive the pickup truck. We're not going to fly in because it's our first time traveling, or first time cruising out of Miami, first time on the Carnival Horizon, first time doing Aruba, Bonaire, some other place in Dominican Republic, and Amber Cove. And so we got 4 stops. 2 of them are in the DR. I'm really looking forward to Aruba and Bonaire, though. That's what I'm looking forward to. And so, looking forward to that. If you guys are going on the Carnival Horizon, look for me. I'm easy to find. We had a few people on our last cruise recognize us, which is cool. And which seems like every cruise someone recognizes us, so, or at least me, because I'm the guy putting I'm the face kind of, right? My wife's like, yeah, you know, I kind of want to stay out. You know, I get it. She's not as a narcissist like I am, I guess. I don't know, but I could tell you that looking forward to that. But the Vista, all the videos have just been put out, right? Last weekend, the last 2 videos. The last videos are the back-to-back was fun. It was Vista. I'm ready to not go on the Vista again. You guys can have the Vista. I mean, listen, it wasn't a bad ship. Just like, okay, all right, time to move on. It's not like the Dream. The Dream is just something special. The Dream is like 100% comfortable. I can never get tired of cruising on the Dream. The Vista, even though they have the Havana area and the steakhouse and the Italian food place, I just love the Dream. But the back-to-back was fun. Didn't have any problems, and I'm hoping, you know, a lot of you guys enjoyed the videos that we made. By the way, talking about that cruise and on Thanksgiving. This Thanksgiving, I have a 4-hour ultimate cruise vlog. All those videos that you guys saw, if you saw them all, is all going to be in one video. And guess what? It's 4 hours long. It's 4 hours long, man. And, you know, I don't expect any of you guys to sit there and watch me and my stuff for 4 hours. But hey, it's something that I wanted to do, just something fun. It became a kind of a tradition that I've kind of done on my own, where I would do the videos that I would do throughout a 1 week cruise. And then after I release all those videos, make all those videos, I'll put all those videos into one video. And usually they're about an hour, hour and a half, possibly 2 hours long with all those. This one's 4 hours. This is 2 weeks worth of videos. And it's 4 hours long. So, listen, if you don't stay around and watch 4 hours, that's fine. I get it. I'm not going to watch 4 hours of you guys. Well, maybe some of you guys. Anyway. So, I'll be recording on the horizon. Blue Collar Travels, right? Blue Collar Travels. Let's talk about the name. So, definitely between our cruises, we're going to have some times where we're not cruising, but we're still going to travel around the country. So there's definitely going to be some videos, different videos. They're not cruising videos. There'll be stuff like maybe trying out different restaurants around the country, looking up different spots. You know, like I said, we went to California and the Florida Keys. You know, but I didn't film not a darn thing. I kind of wish I did. That sort of stuff, I'll start filming. You know, and just, you know, put it on this channel, and maybe someone, you know, will like to watch these, you know, videos. I know the cruise videos is what people are here for. People tune in to watch, but hey, if you want to check out some other little videos that I do, check those out. All right, and so that will. I mean, I don't have a game plan. There's some stuff in Oklahoma I want to do, but hey, it's going to be winter time. But you know, we may wait until the spring. Going to NASCAR races. You know, maybe just show you guys the culture of NASCAR. Not so much the race. You can see the race on TV, but a lot of what gets, you know, a lot of what people see, the media doesn't cover the culture anymore, you know, the camping and things of that nature. I'll show you guys that, you know, because it still exists. Not everywhere, but it still exists. And just other things that we plan on doing. Possibly going to a Kenny Chesney concert. Tickets go on sale like next week. And that's one of the things, like, hey, we don't have anything planned for May 11, 2024. And Kenny Chesney's coming to Cowboy Stadium, AT&T Stadium. So would love to go watch Kenny Chesney. Always do. Him and George Strait. But, you know, we'll go. So we'll see. We ain't got tickets yet. But I ain't going to show you the concert, but I'll show you the culture, you know, around that. So things that, I don't know, maybe a lot of people don't get to see. I don't know. We're going to see. You know, who knows what. But Blue Collar Travel, that's the name of the channel now. Still cruising. That's our bread and butter because that's what we love, but we also love to travel. Again, kids growing up, doing their thing, allows me and the wife to do our thing again. Or again, like before they were born, we were too broke to go anywhere. So I don't know what that came from. I don't know where that came from. But I'm just saying, now we could do stuff. So yeah, Carnival Horizon in 1 month from today as I record this. And I can't wait to go. Probably when I get back, I'm going to go meet up with Big Mike, Salt Life Cruising. They're going on the Carnival Jubilee. I won't be on the Carnival Jubilee, but we'll probably maybe film their sail away. So that'll be pretty fun. Out of Galveston this December, because that'll be like the week after we get back from our Horizon cruise. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys watching this video. We're going to do more videos in between now and then. Okay, and again, the ultimate cruise vlog on Thanksgiving. Okay, but we're going to do some short videos talking about, you know, maybe the Horizon or maybe just different stuff in the cruising, you know, world, because I love cruising. But then, you know, after the Horizon, getting all the Christmas and all that stuff done, we're gonna go travel a little bit. That's what we're gonna do. But for now, I want everybody to have a safe Thanksgiving. If I don't do a video, I think I will, but if I don't do another video between now and Thanksgiving, you guys have a good Thanksgiving. But I'm going to try, listen, I'm going to try to give you guys at least something once a week. It's just something, maybe not a daily thing, but something once a week. I'd like you to see my pretty face, man. I appreciate you guys watching. And hey, Jace from EECC Travels. Going cruising, baby. 73.